We are going to make a galette crust or galette dough from scratch together. I am going to be making a apple and salted caramel galette, which is basically like an open tart, if you will. So if you've never made any pastry before, you are scared, whatever, I suggest that you start off with trying to make a galette or this recipe first to build that confidence. Into a food processor, we are going to put plain flour. So I've got 1.5 cups here. So this is a sweet version. If you want to make it savoury, you just leave the sugar out, and you can always add a bit of parmesan into the dough. But for the sweet version, we have got plain flour, and then I've got 150 grams of cubed unsalted butter, cold. Pop that into the food processor. I'm still going to add just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Then we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, as such. Pop your lid on, and then we're going to pulse until it's just a breadcrumb. Okay, like I'll show you. Just until it looks like sand. This is probably the most important step. You must use ice cold chilled water. So I'm going to go in with 6 tablespoons. So the ice cubed water will help with the flakiness as well as keeping the butter chilled and inhibit the formation of gluten. So yeah, make sure you use ice chilled water. And then process it until it just we are just going to flour our surface and pop the dough in the center. Your dough will look a little bit sticky. That is normal. So I just pop it into a disc. See how soft that is? As such, I like to just flour all the edges. Pop it in a nice disc. Now you're going to want to put this in the fridge. We're going to cover it with cling wrap and pop in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. But I'm making this ahead of time, so I'm just going to leave it in the fridge for 2 days until I need it. That's what she looks like. Let's cover her up. And don't be fooled by this size. I kid you not, I get a pretty large galette once it's rolled out. It's perfect. I'll show you little snippets of the end results that I made for private clients.